Alright guys, so I'm here with my friend Lily.
Hey.
She asked me to come get dinner with her, so I came, and we're gonna do a what's in my bag. Oh yeah, this is a what's in Lily's bag, okay? Let's turn this one over. Alright, so she got some Kleenex here. She's got a phone charger, some jewelry. I know there's some gum in here somewhere. I think it's in the middle. Yes, the Mentos Pure
It's
Fresh Spearmint, excuse me. Her little wallet.
I think there's a coupon in there.
Some coupons. Some
Coupons.
Bath and Body Works. Oh, what is that?
Mucinex.
Great. How did that even fit in here? I didn't even see it. It was down in the
I
bottom.
because I'm afraid people are gonna think I stole it.
And then she's got some medicine. Oh, she got some pearls. She got a makeup brush. A couple makeup brushes, actually. She's got some lippies down in here.
I think that's it.
I think that's about it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it.
That's about it. Yeah. Oh, here's another lippy.
It's ColourPop.
It's actually a ColourPop lippy stick. What do you know? I'm so weird. Anyway, yeah. This is Lily.
TJ Maxx find. I got it for $29.99.
What that
That purse, and it came with a wallet. So
Oh, yeah. And it's like soft.
it's vegan leather. In other words, not real leather.
It's not real. It's fun. So I poured my drink out because I didn't want it to spill, but we went to McAllister's earlier. And I just went in there to pee a minute ago because we've been sitting out in the car for a while. And people were looking at me like I was crazy.
Be like, I was a paying customer like
I paid
2 hours ago.
I paid for my soup, not my water. But anyway, I just wanted to we've been sitting here talking for like
What time did we get here?
3 hours. It's 8:40. It's 8:40. We got here
5:20.
5:20 to 8:40. This is what happens when you don't see each other for like a year and a half or a year. You haven't seen me since I've been married, have you?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, no, it's been a year and a half at least.
Has
I'm
it?
sure, yeah. It's got or at least a year.
I think it's been a year.
It's been at least a year, yeah. So anyway,
Crazy.
we're tired. We've both been yawning, but we don't want to leave.
Mm-hmm.
Like we're like.
We've been watching videos of Chaz Smith. Is that his name?
Don't ask me. I don't
The
ask
guy
me.
who repeats things incorrectly.
Like,
Pronounces.
hang on. Subway. What's Ween?
Ween dies? No, that's not funny. When dies? I'm not funny.
I don't. But maybe Wendy's isn't funny. What about Walgreens?
I don't know. I'm not good under pressure. I don't know.
Not either. What about Pizza Hut?
All I can think of is Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. McAllister's. I'm just saying in a funny accent.
McAllister's.
It's like McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Oh, we're not funny. It's okay. We're just not.
We're funny to each other.
Yeah, but not when we're trying to be funny to other people. Anyway, I just want to hop on here and tell y'all this is Lily and you know she might start a YouTube channel. She told me so. Just look out for that.
Look out for DIY.
Yeah, she doesn't want to. She wants to do like DIY, like vlogs and like hauls, like like grocery hauls
for college students.
Yeah.
Real life.
Because she's getting her own little apartment deal not next semester, but in the fall.
Oh yeah.
So
Live on my own. Christmas parties.
Galentine's Day parties.
Already have decorations for next Valentine's.
Yeah, she's been getting everything on sale. That's what you got to do.
Yeah, you gotta do it in like a year in
You
advance.
cannot be buying
I
stuff.
thought about like.
Yeah.
I feel like that's is that cringy. I feel like
Not
that's
really. It's kind of. I mean, I like it. Anyway,
nobody steal that.
I'll cut it out.
Okay, good.
I'll cut it out. That way,
You'll just be like, beep.
Yeah.
You won't know until she posts.
Yeah. You won't know. Stay tuned. You gotta subscribe.
Learn. We'll figure it out in about a month,
Yeah.
and hopefully I'll have it then. But I don't know what kind of things I need to like DIY though.
Just all that stuff that you did. Like, okay, y'all, she like made, I mean, like, it's easy to make your own succulent plants, but like she made her own, and she made her own headboard, she made her own curtains, she made her own like bed skirt, she made like little
painted a lot of furniture.
Yeah, like little pictures on the wall. Like she like DIY'd them. Like she made like a flower arrangement on the wall.
Yeah. Or if I don't
I feel like you have the good lighting, and I'm like over here.
If I don't DIY them myself, like I'll find them inexpensive. So like my whole room, I think total maybe costs $500 with furniture. Yeah. Which like,
but I mean, like she had her like her mattress and all that junk.
But like I bought my desk and like all my dresser. Like, my desk was like $25 with the chair, and then like my dresser was like $50, and it was really nice. So like everything, I just sort of kept my eye open and gave myself a timeline of like 6 months to sort of figure it out. So
yeah, and you gotta save money too. So
because adulting is like so expensive, and I didn't realize, you know, bills are real.
Bills are real. We're gonna end that on that note. Bills are real. Okay, people, they're not fake. Because my arm's hurting. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so it is Saturday morning. It's Saturday afternoon. It's 1:20. And we still in bed, kind of, sort of. We woke up a couple hours ago and we just been sitting here. But we need to go to the mall to take some stuff back. And yeah. We might go eat, maybe. So, I want to go to chicken...
I can't pick my mouth up.
I want to go to Chicken Salad Chick, because we go to the one... the closest one is an hour away from us in that direction. But we got one closer to us. Also, I had like a blackhead right here. And I popped it. I hope I got everything. But, yeah. So, but we're about to get ready and go take that stuff back. I might go to Ulta because I have a gift card and I want to buy some glitter. I do.
Some glitter.
Anyway. What just came in? I'm so excited. He opened it.
It was raining on it.
Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, yes. My girl. Yes. Alright, so I just showered and now I'm going to get dressed and I was going to put some makeup on, but I decided since I'm still a little bit sick, I'm going to be blowing my nose. So I'm going to wait one more day and then probably film some videos like tomorrow. So Chandler's in the shower right now and we're just going to get ready and then head on over to the mall. We got some food. Alright y'all, so I'm looking for glitter, but my Ulta doesn't seem to have the glitter that I want. So
I don't know what to do.
alright, so
I like this one.
I saw all these glitters in there.
And she wouldn't get one.
Because they're $22 a piece. They're Stila. I want to know a good drugstore glitter because I'm not, like, I don't have to pay $22 for glitter. I know I don't.
You want to go look at the Walmart up here?
No, because Walmart's usually more expensive. Chandler said he wants to go to Best Buy.
I do. I love Best Buy.
So we're going to go to Best Buy and maybe I can, like, ask them some questions about a camera and the kind of camera that I want to get.
And maybe we need to look for a, like, USB storage deal.
You mean a hard drive? External hard drive?
Sarah's computer literally says disk is full. And so she can't, like, she has to download, like, really small things.
Anyway, we're gonna see. I really wish I could have gotten some of these. They're so pretty.
You should have bought them. Oh, put that back on there. I like all of them.
At the bottom?
Yeah, all of them. That's pretty. You don't wear stuff like that.
Yeah, I don't wear stuff like that. Anyway, we're gonna go to Best Buy.
Fine. Too little, you can't cover your belly.
Alright guys, so I never finished out yesterday's vlog. We just went in Best Buy, we looked around, and then we left. Anyway, but last night there was a TV sitting right here, and I took that out, and I'm gonna try to sell it. If it doesn't sell, then I'm just gonna throw it out because it's an old TV anyway. But there was a TV right here, and now I have my little, I can't even do this. My mirrors here, my makeup palettes are right there, like my eyeshadow palettes are right there. There's some stuff in the corner over there, but and then I cleaned off this a lot more. What's up? You can see me in the mirror. So like the rest of my makeup's like right here, some stuff's up there. I've got my ring light and all that stuff, and then I have a jewelry box over there. I can't maneuver like this, but it makes me feel good to have kind of like a space that I have all of my makeup, and then there's like some stuff down in here in these little cabinets. So hopefully I can film in front of the window. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but that's kind of what I wanted to do. I can't even speak. I'm about to take a nap because I don't know what it is. Like I'm feeling dizzy a little bit, and I've eaten, I've drank water. Maybe I just didn't get enough sleep last night, but I was feeling kind of weird last night, like right before I went to bed, which I went to bed at 3, so not the best. But anyway, I just feel lightheaded, and for no reason at all. Like I'm sitting down, not moving. Like I was laying down and I felt lightheaded. So not necessarily even lightheaded, just feeling kind of weird. Anyway, I'm gonna take a little nap, and this little blackhead is still going strong. There's like a scab on it now from where I, like, you know, got it out. But, and also I woke up feeling like I had like a lump in my throat earlier today, and it felt like it was almost like down here, like, you know, when you feel like you're gonna throw up, there's like a lump in your throat. That's how I felt. So I don't know if it's the sickness or what's going on, or if my body's just acting weird, but I'm hoping that sleep cures it all. So, okay, I'm gonna take a nap now. Bye. Alright guys, so I just filmed this for like an Instagram video. Is that better? Yeah. So I just filmed this for an Instagram video, and I really like it. It's mostly drugstore, so pretty good. I think it's all drugstore except for my primer, or primers. I used to. Them lashes dope. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the vlog here, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I just woke up.